Today, you're going to hear about how your posture affects your mental well-being. Stay tuned. Peace. Hello there, I'm Lisa McCall, and I find posture very fascinating because it affects every area of our life in a subtle way or not so subtle way, depending on what you're doing or not doing, okay? So today I'm going to talk about how it affects our mind, how it affects our moods, how it affects the way we feel, what we think. And there's plenty of research articles out there that will talk about the different aspects of it. It messes with your cognitive skills, it can mess with your mood. So there'll be an article that you can click on below this, and you can read something there. And you can look up more on Google and find more. It's very popular, and it's very true to our awareness now in the posture world and in the psychology world. Okay, so what I want to challenge you or ask you to try is to take the perspective of just trying your own experiment with posture. So a lot of people think of posture as something that revolves around your home, your office, and when you're doing stuff. And I want you to view it as, how do I feel? How do I think? How do I respond? And how do I act when I'm with others out in the world? I'm in line at the movie or the grocery store. I'm talking to people at a party. Most people are going to have a posture. Their relaxed posture is going to be something like this. It's usually something where they're going to have something where they're pulling in. Maybe you think the posture is pulling your stomach in and kind of being like this, because that's what the models on TV are doing. And this is real cool. All that is a reflection of what's going on up here as well. So what if you just dropped your arms and you released your stomach? And if you think your stomach's going to stick out, then just stretch up real tall, because it'll pull in if you stretch up. The key to a more flat stomach is more of getting your spine longer instead of sucking it in. So you could do a little stretch up, and then you could either place your hands in your pockets and untuck your butt, let your butt just be. You can put your hands in your pockets here. But whatever you do, see if you can get your elbow so that it is not in front of your body, the line of your spine, okay? See if you can get it to hang out here. You know, it's really actually wherever it makes you feel the most relaxed. Then, examine what's going on inside of you when you're talking to somebody. Experiment with, is it comfortable, uncomfortable? For me personally, it was so uncomfortable when I first did this. I mean, I felt like I was doing this. I really felt like everybody thought I was sticking out my face and chest, and I was literally in their space. Probably because I had been so back here. So this felt like this, like I was all the way here. So you have to play with it and get comfortable with it and go back to it over and over again, because you're naturally built to be comfortable in your body in an upright position. You're born with it. You're born to be upright, relaxed, and comfortable in your body. But we don't experience that in this society. I rarely see people comfortable in their body. So why not just start to undo these habits and begin to find out from your own experience, not from just an article telling you what to do. Like, you should do this, you should sit up straight, you should. The you shoulds will never ever bring this natural, relaxed, attractive posture. It will have to come from within you. So this is just an invitation to try it out.